Hey there, I'm Mr. Nadal, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this bull cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis, it's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this bull cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
All right, folks, we got the market open here in a couple minutes, and it looks like the dollar is trying to push, and we're going to just pay attention to what the dollar is doing right now, as it is back testing this level right here. If this does break down, then, I mean, we're just going to continue pushing higher. So we got to just pay attention to how that's going to play out, because I think the dollar is maybe going to get rejected here. So let's just kind of stay tuned with what's happening there. Obviously, the trend is down right now for the dollar. And we do have some really big earnings coming up today. We have the NVIDIA earnings, and that could make or break a lot of these markets. And so let's take a look at NVIDIA here and how it's opening on the day. It looks like it's going to open up a bit here. And so that could bode well for the market. See how all the other stocks are doing. Yeah, so NVIDIA opening up on the day. Mara opening up on the day. NVAX opening up on the day. A lot of these stocks are opening up right now. We do have a 15-minute short signal in on the dollar. So crypto probably continues higher. If the dollar is going to get rejected, that means the tethered dollar is going to get rejected. And so that should bode well for risk assets. And so, yeah, NVIDIA up 0.25% to open. And Zoom doing pretty well here. Looks like Zoom is going to try to make a push. We are in option calls on Zoom for July. I think that this is going to be a big swing trade. As we can see, the weekly is crossing up, and it looks pretty promising for it to go higher. Yep, and so the dollar, like I said before, is trending to the downside here on the 15-minute. The hourly is also towards a resistance area. We could see this get rejected. That would be pretty good for all markets. And let's take a look at Carvana here, as I did take another potential short on this, as I think this is very extended. But this may not play out. I mean, if the dollar is going to come down, then this may not go short. So we'll see how this plays out. We can see the trend did flip on the hourly here with the red bands turning red here. So this could, I mean, it could obviously also reverse here, but I think Carvana is getting rejected at this range high. And I think this will trend down. as the daily time frame here is kind of suggesting that it could do that. Right, we are getting a daily bearish cross here. Now, it's not necessarily confirmed, but after white candles, we usually get some sort of pullback or retracement. So I'm banking on some sort of retrace here for Carvana in the shorter term. And that 3-day candle closing a dark cloud cover candle, but we have to see follow through on that. Otherwise, it doesn't really do anybody any good. And the 15-minute chart, I mean, the 15-minute printing all along, but it's making highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So it's now going to come down and test the bottoms of these ranges. And I think it's going to roll over Carvana here. So there's that. Let's see if it can take out the bottom of the range. That would be a sight to see for my short trade here. It is being held up here by the hourly 200-day moving average. And the 4-hour is like all the way down here. So I'm saying there's lots of, we do have a 4-hour short that's in. We also have a daily short that's in. So I still think that this maybe works its way down. Hopefully it works its way down quick enough for me to make some money off of it. Otherwise, what good does that do anybody? So who do we have on the stream today? All right, so NVIDIA actually getting rejected here at the open. So we'll see how that plays out. The dollar is long on the hourly, but short on the 15, and we'll see how that goes. Solana catching a nice bounce here off the range low, off this major trend line here. The 15 minutes still technically short, but it looks like your stochastics are crossing back up here on the 15. And we got a 10-minute buy signal here. Now this volatility at the open is pretty normal. I had like $2,000. That's why. All right, yeah. So Carvana is getting rejected here. just teetering around in this range, man. Once it breaks this hourly support at 113, I think it's free fall to the 103s or to go gap fill. Yeah, but Nvidia here, I think is going to get rejected here. Solana looking good to push back up if the tether comes down. Well, we are printing some short signals in this market right now. We are at a range high on the hourly. I wouldn't say to be bearish the crypto market, but yeah, let's just see how Nvidia does here. I think this is this looks like it's going to come way down. May not though, man. I don't know. It may just break out. Who knows? Earnings calls are kind of a gamble for sure. Yeah, a 113 break on Carvana is what we're looking for. Oh, and we may not get it either. Trying to candle here a little bit. But this candle right here is a pretty nasty rejection candle. So Amazon opening green. NVX still on a push. How's Nikola doing? Did that thing do anything for us? 54 cents. What stock was I trying to look up here? What's up, Aaron? How's it going, boss? Yeah, not a lot happening right now. The market's kind of sideways-ish. A lot of, a lot of, uh, a lot of like indecision candles right now with this market. Damn, NVAX is just sending. See if Carvana gets rejected here. They might just keep this thing propped up, because everyone in their right mind is trying to short for a gap fill trade. So I'm sure it's gonna be tough. Wow. NVAX to the moon, man. Probably $120 that push. Peloton off the range low here looks decent. So the dollar back testing this previous region. If the dollar gets rejected here, then we're going to see the stock market and all risk assets really skyrocket, as this is a very, very big level for the dollar. You know, our daily and 2-day charts are short. I think our weekly is long still above this 103.52 region. And I think our monthly is still short. So yeah, we're looking for really a rejection off these lows. My only issue with what's happening here is that you can see the momentum is waning on the monthly chart. So who knows? And we did get a 3-week bullish cross. The 2-week and the weekly though are rolling over, but it could just consolidate here. That's my only real concern with the dollar right now. Another rejection here for Carvana. Hopefully this concludes the attempted rallies on this thing, and they can just put this thing to the gutter because that's where it belongs. I don't know. I think it's at the bottom of the 8-hour Bollinger, but this could, like I said, I think this could squeeze short. With your daily now producing negative momentum, and the daily RSI is still in the bullish control zone, but that's why I think it has room to drop. Your 4-hour is neutral. Your hourly is bearish. And so that's why I'm inclined to believe that this is going to drop. All right. Well, we'll keep you guys updated on these markets. NVIDIA earnings will be a make or break moment for the markets for sure. So after the close here, we're going to get NVIDIA earnings. Not really a good start to its day with a bit of a rejection here, but could eventually just pull itself out of that. All right. Well, we'll catch you guys in the next stream. We only got 2 people on right now, so I'm going to just close this out. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.